Hello auction people, welcome to Stewart Radiance Lab, Division of Space Dynamics Lab, R&D facility for NASA, DoD and the US Air Force. I'm going to take you through the auction. This is the machine shop, Bridgeport Mills and Duma Mills. Lots of nice aluminum. Here's a Dual ML15 vertical bandsaw with some extra blades. Nice hard hinge HLV BK precision tool room lathe. Arbor presses, diamond and carbide grinders. Lots of storage cabinets with all kinds of treasures. Drawers full of springs, screws, drills, fasteners, sanders. This is a small machine shop, but they did a lot of great work in here. Some height gauges, never been used, toolboxes, benchtop accessories. Stewart Radiance Lab did some work for the shuttle and from the James Webb telescope. This is a computer-controlled positioner, 3-axis. Some nice small box slots, tools. This is a air cushion table for precise measuring. This is a collimator that was built here. Very expensive collimating tube on the interior. Some crates, unique types of things they fabricated here. This is the MIDAC collimator. It has all the software and the computers upstairs. More hand tools. Technicians' toolboxes filled with tools. A couple of nitrogen dewars. Here you can see the light source for the MIDAC collimator. All sorts of cool old style computers, mirrors, reflectors, all used in the various science projects and research projects for the lab. Here's a generator. These are interferometers. A couple more interferometers, some laser goggles, some CCTV units. We're going to just take a walk around, give you a sense of what the auction layout is. Toolboxes, a nice foam cutting unit, hot wire. This is a Rocketdyne blackbody radiation source for intense light heat. This is a second unit. We'll take a walk upstairs. Some nice office equipment. Some telescoping forks along with a collimator. Here we have a GPS clock. The receiver is outside. You get this clock, there's no reason to be late for anything ever again in your life. So if you're tardy, don't buy it. Kitchen equipment. Take a walk upstairs into the area where there's electronic instruments. All the equipment in the machine shop and anything that needs to be rigged out will be done so on March 10th at no cost to the bidder. The rigger will take it right to the lot, flip them some lunch money. I'm sure they'll load it on your truck or trailer. Here we have some ultrasonics. This is the software and the computer and a cooled, nitrogen cooled unit for the MIDAC. Some very cool U.S. Air Force style storage units. Lots of equipment, lots of scientific equipment, choppers, scopes, mounts, generators, toolboxes, nice tables, multi-axis platforms. DC power supplies. Down the bottom here we have some nitrogen dewars. More boxed lots, tools, nice lots of oscilloscopes. All were in use until they closed up. Here's a great lot for a Kennedy toolbox. And here we have a clean closet for garments. This is the first of the 3 robo-domes that we have. There's one inside here, 2 outside, tripods, RAM specs. This is a cloud height indicator used at airports around the country to determine cloud heights. More toolboxes, soldering pens, ultrasonics, and of course a VHS with lots of tape. A whole lot of little ohmite, little devil capacitors. These are all capacitors, all full. These cabinets are all full of capacitors of various ratings. More fasteners in here. These are chassis for interferometers, microscope mounts, various types of lenses. This is a Hughes infrared viewer. Here are some interesting items. These are highly polished mirrors that were used as tests for coatings for the James Webb Space Telescope. Some rigging equipment inside here that you'll see. This is lot number 253. These are silicon bromide windows that were used for the space shuttle. And storage containers, all sorts of specialized scientific capacitors here. The Stewart Radiance Lab was a division of Space Dynamics, which is the research arm for the University of Utah, which does a lot of research and development for the United States Air Force, NASA. Down in the basement here, easy out. There's a garage door right in the basement for easy removal of these items. That's a nitrogen cooled pump, vacuum pump. This is an optical chopper. This is a World War II style optical chopper. Again, 2 more military style storage cabinets. This is a ultra cold cabinet capable of chilling down to almost absolute zero. Some of the instruments that they had to test for the James Webb had to be done close to absolute zero, and some nitrogen tanks, a lift, easy removal right out of garage door. And these are more aircraft style windows we use for testing. This is lot number 280. high-strength super clear glass. And last, we're going to just head up to the second floor. Inspection is March 5. Online bidding opens on the 5th, closes on the 8th. Lots close every 30 seconds. Removal and payment begins on the 9th. All items must be paid for on the 9th. As I said previously, all equipment that will be rigged out will be done so on the 10th. You need to be here on the 10th for that. Here's a nice radio flyer rocking horse. High pressure manifolds. This is a lens that was carried on spy planes. This is a Type 1 aerial camera lens, 24-inch focal length. Office equipment. Here's a big reflector. Big mirror that was used again in testing. Some office equipment. Retracting screen, projector. Stewart Radiance Lab. Auction opens on the 8th, opens on the 5th, closes on the 8th. Inspection March 5. SalvadorAuctions.com for more information. Thank you for watching. Happy bidding.